Advisor to the Education Department H.M. Shangpliang today said that the government plans to implement national education policy even at the secondary and higher secondary level. While speaking to reporters, Shangpliang said that they have already constituted the Education Commission and there are other committees which are already in the pipeline, like the Textbook Review Committee. According to him, the Textbook Review Committee will review the introduction of new syllabus and curriculum, adding that they are exercising to bring the NCERT books through the MBOs. Meanwhile, he said that implementation of NEP has already started at the college level. According to him, various colleges have also already taken up the implementation under the new policy. He also said that the government has already made its stand very clear on the NEP.
We have constituted the Education Commission. We also have various other committees that are already in the pipeline now. So though we are in the mind of exercising to bring in NCERT books too in the present context of the books through the MBOs, and therefore this textbook committee will also do such exercise. And while you talk about the new education policy, we understand we are taking baby steps now to start implementing the new policy, and therefore the teachers need to be trained. There is a lot of work to be done, and the preparation have already started.